In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter promo code in Canva. Whether you're trying to save on a Canva Pro subscription, unlock an upgrade, or apply a discount before printing, the process is straightforward once you know where to go. Canva handles promo codes in a couple of places, and I'll walk you through both so you can pick the one that fits your situation. The most common and easiest method is to use Canva's official redeem page. Open your web browser and go to canva.com redeem. If you aren't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log into your Canva account. Once you're in, you'll see a box where you can type or paste your promo code. Enter it carefully, watch for extra spaces or swapped characters, and then click Redeem. If the code is valid for your account, you'll see a confirmation, and the discount or offer will be applied to the eligible plan or feature tied to that code. This page is typically where Canva applies codes related to Canva Pro and account upgrades, so it's the best first stop. There's another place you might use a code, and that's during sign-up or when you're upgrading to Canva Pro. If you're starting a free trial or moving from the free plan to Pro, head to Canva and choose Start Free Trial or Upgrade to Pro. On the sign-up or upgrade page, look for a small link or text that says Have a promo code. Click that and a field will appear. Type in your code and press Apply. After you apply it, check that the price or trial details update before you proceed. If you don't see the discount reflected on that page, remove any extra spaces, try re-entering the code, or use the redeem page instead. A few quick notes that can save time. Many Canva promo codes are limited to new users or specific plans, so if you're already on Pro or using a team plan, the code may not qualify. Some offers must be redeemed before checkout, not after, which is why applying the code on the redeem page or on the upgrade screen is important. And if you're on the Canva mobile app, you'll usually be redirected to the website to enter codes, so a desktop browser is often the smoothest route. That's it. Use the redeem page for most discounts or apply your code during sign-up or upgrade. Take a moment to confirm the offer appears before you finalize anything, and you'll be set. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Canva savings.